Y'all, I'm super excited about these non-toxic dishwasher pods. So they're super cute too, by the way. If you use the pineapple silicone mold, I'm going to give you the recipe after this video, but I wanted to talk about this. So why it's so important to have non-toxic dishwasher detergent is because like you use that on your plates, it's in your dishwasher, and it leaves a residue, whether you see it or not, it leaves a residue on your dishes. And so when you eat off of those plates and forks and spoons, you actually ingest some of that residue. And so it's really important, like if you're going to be taking something internally, you want it to be non-toxic. So that was why like this was a big one to find something that worked. And I wanted something that worked that made me feel like my dishes still looked pretty and did the job when they came out. So this one really is it. I love it. It's also very economical. So if you've been buying higher end brands, you might want to switch over to this recipe. But here's the thing. So you've got the recipe for the dishwasher pods. This is really the secret ingredient for a lot of your non-toxic home products that you're gonna wanna make. So like if one of your goals is to have like non-toxic home, you need to have distilled white vinegar in your home. A couple of things that I use it for is, for instance, with the dishwasher, it's the magic of the rinse aid, okay? So you're gonna fill your rinse aid compartment with distilled white vinegar, and it is gonna leave your dishes looking completely streak-free, residue-free, beautiful. I also use this in my laundry. I pour it in with my wash load, and it's a great softener to the clothing or the blankets or the towels or whatever you're doing. So that's just one super easy way that you can just switch out one ingredient to do several different things. That's going to be non-toxic and good for your home environment and for your health.